Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an extra page for your website, and I'm going to show you how you can link from page 1 to page 2 and then put a link on page 2 which takes you back to page 1. So let's get started. Here is the code for page 1. So I'll rename this one and I'll call it my page 1. Save to website. Refresh the page. There you go, it says my page 1. Obviously it don't link to nothing, and if you see the previous videos you'll see I added an image in the last one. So we'll create a little hyperlink just under this, somewhere here, that will go to my page 2. Click this little insert link button, put the URL where you want the link to go to, so you put / and we'll call it index2.html, put index2 one, put that in place, save to website. Refresh the page, you can see I've put a hyperlink there. But if I click this hyperlink, nothing actually happens. The page does not exist. So a quick way of making the page exist would be to go to your files. These are the files on the website. So I've got index. All you need to do it quickly, right click this, rename, actually right click, edit, sorry, file, save to website, but actually save it with a different name. Let's save it as index2.html. So now if I click that link and go to page 2, it exists, but it's identical to the first page, and the link to my page 2 still sits there. So now you just need to edit this file, which is index2.html. So you go here, I'm already editing index2.html because I renamed it. Change this one back to index and say link to my page 1. Save the website. Very straightforward, very easy. If you have any problems, leave a comment below and I can help out. If you like my content, please subscribe and like this video. So we'll go back to the website and refresh it. Now it says link to my page 1. So if you click that, go to the index file, and if you click this one, you go to page 2. You click that one, go back, back. So you can keep going backwards and forwards. Really straightforward. I often do this when I'm building a website or something like that. I'll create one page and then I can rename loads of pages in a run, and then they're all built very, very quickly. So you sort of build a template that you like, rename, edit the page and rename it to loads of different pages, and then you've got all your files ready to edit, to build your website. Thanks for watching.